Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Happy Valentine's Day. Just wanted to quickly greet you all and let you guys all know that you are so very much loved. Thank you so much for your support for my channel. Wanted to just share a few items that I did get. So this was from Home Goods, and I also found this adorable gnome. Look how cute this gnome is. It's a wine glass and I really love this. And again, this was from Home Goods. Isn't this super adorable? So this was $5.99. So today I had a super sweet surprise visit from my friends Ro, Joe, and Kat. And if you've seen my Michael grab bag videos, I mentioned before that I had purchased a box for my friend Kat, who is also a big fan of these mystery boxes. So today we're going to see her unbox it, and let's have a look and see what she got. Hi guys, we are going to do a grab bag impromptu. This is the box I got my friend Kat. We are social distancing, so here she goes. She's going to show you what's in her box.
Alright, let's see.
Pink box.
It's gonna be one big thing.
Oh my god.
Okay, hold on, one more.
Receipt.
One more, guys. Alright, here we go. I see burlap. Oh, wow.
What do you have first?
So first, I've got, ironically, a science kit.
What is it? Pom-pom. Pom-pom. Wow.
I have no idea. Pom-pom wow.
There you go. Wow. That's awesome.
So it looks like you can make pom-poms and then it's adhesive. They stick to things.
Oh,
so I guess you can put it on pens and things.
Yeah, it is a stem thing, yeah, with colors.
Yeah, with colors.
That's so cool.
Okay, that's
awesome.
That's cool. Alright, we got a bunch of these.
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras coming. We're coming up Mardi Gras.
Yep.
I got some lovely long stem flowers, which is nice for decor.
Oh.
Really nice colors. Okay. I've got a ton. Okay. Merry Christmas.
Ooh.
A ton of red letters. Ooh, I could actually probably make something already with these.
I have the same box.
Alright.
So it looks like she got a bunch of patches.
We got another flower.
Yeah.
Alright, and then let's see what we got here.
I see stickers. Oh, that's cute.
And then I've got some gold ribbon.
Oh, ribbon. Yeah.
Trim ribbon. Looks like I got some hair bands, which is always good.
Nice.
For work. Another sticker. Family.
Hey, that's like mine.
Mm-hmm.
I got a bunch of those.
This one looks like important meeting today, things like that. Again, for planning.
Okay.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Aww.
I might send this to
cute.
I might send this to our friend Joanne's mom because she's been looking for frames like that.
Oh yeah,
during Christmas. Yeah.
You got mustache too. I got that.
Got mustaches.
Ooh,
Always can use a
you
stash.
you see the cute ones?
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is hair ties. I don't know what the gold thing is, but it's hair ties.
Right.
But yay, I got some of the
I got a bunch of
Margaret Yang stickers.
Some too in that bag, yeah.
Cool. I like those
cool.
Margaret things. Army.
Oh yes.
I might give that to our friend here, Rolly, whose brothers and sister-in-law are in the service.
Nice.
So I might do that and give that to them. Some stars, and God bless America for next year, for the 4th of July.
For this year?
Oh, thank you. Oh, and then, sorry.
Oh, wait, so now...
Dun, 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 dun. Do you see this?
Yep, we see it.
Alright, here we go, people.
What is it?
It's a ton of...
I'll show you my box.
Oh my gosh.
I'll make sure, is that all of it?
Yeah, there's like...
Patch?
Huh?
There's nothing else? Because
let's see if there's anything else inside. Right?
Other than that, yeah.
Other than patches. So, that's okay. Which is nice because my nieces are in,
You know I can't eat it.
they're in, what do you call this? Gymnastics. And so I can make them little things. Mostly blue and white. And, yeah, there's just letters, numbers, and, a little bit of the fancy ones.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
But it's mostly like blue and red.
And those are nice big ones.
Yeah, maybe we'll
I have-
exchange.
It's the same.
Oh, dear.
I'll show you mine.
Is it the same color?
Same color, same whatever. They
Oh,
just
okay.
threw it in, it looks like, yeah.
Okay.
But it's a nice box. Isn't
Yeah, I
it
do like
nice?
the box. I
It's
do
really
like the box.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks
there's
everybody.
your haul.
All right.
So now here I was unbagging some of the wonderful treats that my friend Kat gave us for Valentine's and the Lunar New Year. Starting off with this adorable card. It says Oodles of Love. She also packed some wine, some chocolate, and some other goodies. There's also an envelope filled with candy and some gold coins and some Year of the Ox stickers, and I thought that was super adorable. And we have more Jelly Bellies and sweet shortbread cookies for the girls. I think they are going to love it. Thanks so much, Kat. And Roland Joe also gave us some fresh crab from the farmer's market, so I thought that was super sweet. And the oranges are from there too, as part of the Chinese New Year celebration. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick video share. Wishing you all a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.